Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting AI fashion design platforms out there, the Fabricant. In this video, I'm going to take you through a full workflow, starting with a mood board I made on Canva, then sketching a garment in Illustrator, bringing it to life with the Fabricant's tools, and finally turning it into a full video with auto-generated audio. Basically, we are designing an entire fashion piece end-to-end with AI. Let's get started. So, the first step of any design journey is inspiration. Here's my mood board. I have pulled in futuristic capsule-like poses, sci-fi backgrounds, and structured garments with metallic and reflective textures. Now that I have locked down the vibe, the next step is to create some reference visuals. Let's use Create Image feature. This is where I can play with prompts to get early references. Here's the prompt I'll type in based on my mood board. A futuristic high-fashion garment with metallic silver textures, glowing accents, structured silhouette inspired by armor, photographed in a sci-fi capsule environment, editorial lighting, cyber-romantic mood. And here are the results. You can see how the AI pulls elements of shine, glow, and structure to match the inspiration. This gives me a full starting directions for the garment. Now that I have gotten some references, I sketched my garment in Illustrator. The idea was to capture that strong silhouette with flowing yet structured lines. Of course, you don't need Illustrator. You can use Procreate, Photoshop, or even just scan a hand sketch. Now I'm uploading it into Fabricant's Sketch to Image tool. Watch how it instantly transforms my flat drawing into a stylized render, adding textures, lighting, and fabric depth. It's so cool to see my sketch evolve into something almost editorial ready in seconds. Here's where the magic happens. Photo Studio. I can now place my design on a model, choose poses, and set backgrounds. For this theme, I'm picking a futuristic capsule style set, inspired by the mood board references. I can try different poses, strong stance, fashion forward gaze, or even a cocoon-like posture that highlights the garment silhouette. This step makes the design feel alive, like it belongs in an actual campaign or fashion editorial. Sometimes I want to tweak details, maybe remove a background, shift lighting, or adjust a sleeve shape. The Edit Image feature makes it really simple. Here I'll clean the background so my garment stands out more. With just a few clicks, it's polished and ready. Next, let's refine the quality. The Fabricant has an upscaler that sharpens edges and enhances details. Look closely at before and after. The metallic sheen is sharper, the glow looks cleaner, and textures feel richer. For anyone sharing their designs in portfolios, this step is a lifesaver. And finally, the most exciting part, video. I can now bring this design to life in motion. The glass capsule opens dramatically, the model locks her gaze straight at the camera, and then steps forward with power and confidence. The editor doesn't just animate the scene, it also generates fitting background audio automatically, which means I don't have to spend hours picking soundtracks. Now, my futuristic garment isn't just a still render. It becomes a full fashion story unfolding on screen. And that's a full workflow. From mood board, create image, sketch, render, edits, upscale, and video. We just designed a futuristic cyber-romantic garment entirely with the Fabricant. If you found this inspiring, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Would you wear this futuristic fit in real life? I'll be back tomorrow with another AI fashion tool. Stay tuned.